Alright, boys and friends and girls and boys and everybody, welcome to Gordon Guitar. So we have Danny Ocean here with a song called Medio Friends. So this is a cool song here based upon two different chords. We're gonna look at some notes hidden there which you can highlight. Otherwise it's pretty straightforward with the strumming here. So yeah, let's start this one up. No need for any capo. Two chords, like I said. We have the C major 7 and a version of G. So starting here first with the C major. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, open B, and open E. That's the first. Then the second and last chord is the G. Here it's enough to just go with these two in the bass. So that will be third on E, second on A, and then down there it's open. So open D, open G, open B. And I suggest you stay there, avoid the last E string. I don't think you need that, and it's better if you don't. So this is very easy to grab. So from the C major up to the G there. So very easy transitions there. So there we have the chords, and strumming pattern here will be down, up, clap, down. So if we go to the C major, that is one string around. So down, up, clap, down. So down, a short pause, and then comes up, clap, down, and then immediately you go back to the second round and play down again. So. Alright, so if we just go with the strumming here, it will be C major, 4 strumming rounds, and the G, 4 strumming rounds, and you do that through the entire song, back and forth within these two chords. So that will sound. And so on. Alright, but you can also highlight some notes there. You maybe heard that in the introduction of the tutorial. So if you do that, we're gonna take you through now each chord here. So if you go the first starting point, that's the C major 7. You're gonna start with one string around first. So it goes. And then comes the notes here. And the notes will be like this. Okay, I do that in a downstroke way, down and up perhaps, but I don't pick just one note. I tried to do that, but I think it's best to try to incorporate some strings around this actual notes. But the notes here will be 2nd fret on G string, then open B, and then again open B, and then 3rd B. That's the first half of the C major. So it started like one string around, then the notes, and the last two notes there, I use the hammer-on technique. So I pick the open B string, and then I hammer on with my little pinky to get the 3rd B there. That means I don't have to work too much with my strumming hand. So that's the first half, and then the second half will start in the same way. You do one string around, and then you have 3 notes, and those are like that. So that will be 3rd B string, open E, and 2nd G. Okay? So that is the end of the C major. That's the full C major part. So slowly it goes like this. Okay. Then over to G, you just go up to this, and you're gonna start in the same way, one string around. Now the notes are just 3 and the pause. So that will be 2nd on G string, open B, and back to second on G. And then you do another string around. That's the first half. So the next half is another string around. And then you play. So that is second on G, open B, and fourth D. All right. So with all these notes here, and that's the end of the G, with all these notes here, you realize that you pretty much have to hold the chord, or I suggest highly that you hold the chords with these two fingers here. So that will be the middle finger on the D string and the ring finger on the A string when it comes to the C major, and then the same fingers you go up one string like this to grab the G. In that way you have the possibilities to go each way around like this and work with your index and little pinky if you need to get the notes. So that is just my suggestion. You can do it your way. Perhaps it works like for the C here, it works to go with these two fingers. Could go, yeah, but then you really need to release index from the actual chord. I think it's the best way to go with the middle and ring finger to go like this actually. So it's up to you. But anyway, one round with the melody goes like this. Two rounds actually, but it's that sweet to play this one. So anyway, that pretty much covers Danny Ocean's Medio Friends. So give it a try. If you think that is too much with the notes, just go for the strumming C major 4, G4, and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please feel free to support me on Goran Guitar, and until next time, play tuned.